Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to see how to order on ubereats. Ubereats is basically a delivery platform where food is being delivered to your home, or we can straight away pick up from one of our nearest location, nearest store, or we can have our appointment to dine in at Uber Eats. So if we can observe, this is our home page on Uber Eats. So on the top most left side corner you will have delivery option. So second option is for pickup and third will be for dine-in. I would like to show it to you the delivery option here in this video. So if you would like to order any kind of food which you would prefer to have today, so kindly get it into that particular restaurant by searching here. If everything is available according to your plan, just hit on that particular restaurant. So I am just clicking it on McDonald's. So I click McDonald's here, and after clicking the McDonald's entire menu will be shown here. Just scroll down, you will find all the kind of menu whichever is available in McDonald's is shown to you through this. So if you would like to order some combo meal, for example, if you would like to make deluxe chicken crispy chicken sandwich meal, just click on this one, and after that it will show you options available with that particular menu. So if you see here, it will be deluxe crispy chicken sandwich meal or deluxe crispy chicken sandwich meal large. This one is normal, this one is large. I am going for a large one by adding another 90 cents extra. So along with that one, you can also add a kind of a drink here. I would like to have large Diet Coke, 0 calories. I just added here. You can add further like ice also. Yes, saved. So I am going ahead with this drink. So now I have added these things. Mine is 70 calories. They will be giving lettuce, tomato slice, crispy chicken fillet. All these things are there. Just I'm saving it here, and I'm going it add one to cart. I'm adding it to cart. So after adding to cart, you can just view cart here. Just click on view cart. After clicking view cart, you will have the option which you have selected on your screen here. So if you observe deluxe crispy chicken sandwich meal, I have selected into cart, which is large meal, and I have to check out now. So just check out. Straight away it will ask you which kind of delivery you want. Before to that, you have to give your address here. I have already entered. If you want to enter, please enter it here. So after that, there will be preferences for delivery, which is first one is priority delivery. Immediately it will be delivered, for which they will be charging 1.99 USD here. And second one, first priority is happening in just 25 to 35 minutes time. If you can feel free for next for 30 to 40 minutes, you can opt standard delivery here, or you can further schedule your delivery. So I just want in 30 to 40 minutes. For that reason, I am just selecting standard here. So after that, it will show us which we have selected. And if you want to add any kind of gift, so make it as a gift. If you have any promo code, you can enter here. So finally the price will be shown here. So 12.69 USD along with taxes, delivery fee, temporary fuel charge, everything will be making 17.74 USD. So after that, I have to add payment method. Add payment method, you will have several options. One is you can pay through Uber Cash. Apart from that, you can add payment methods here. Click on that add payment method and give your credit card or debit card details, or you can pay through PayPal, you can pay through Google Pay, you can pay through cash or gift card. So coming back, so you will have a voucher code, add voucher code option here. If you have any kind of Uber Eats voucher code, you can enter here. So, selecting your thing, so further you can just place order. Clicking on place order, your order will be placed and easily available to you in just next 30 to 40 minutes time. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Till then, bye bye. Subscribe the channel, like and share the video.